racing, and today we're at Qualifier Arcade for Formula Drift 2 Round 4 with the S15. We've done a few changes to the car again after last round. We had a few issues here and there with the rear suspension and stuff. We changed the whole rear vent, give it a few refresh, and good to go now. Other than that, we've got a whole new look on the car, the BM Sports Defend Kit. But come on, let me show you guys. confident, and I think we got this one in the first one. We're gonna try and downshift it to second in the first one, and the second one we'll try to keep it in third throughout the whole way and see how it goes through. So let's do this.
Ken 786 カーン・ロアブ選手 Our Nation 今回フルエアロを新調してきました BN スポーツということで Got brand new BN Sport body kit on his car.
He does. Beautiful looking car here. Look at that, ripping through the gears into this outer zone 1 right here. Roja representing, coming out. Nice job through that outer zone 1, bringing it around, wrapping it into this outer zone 2. Beautiful job. Nice throttle control right there. Commitment all the way through into this outer zone 4. And I gotta say, that's probably the most commitment I've seen throughout this course.
結構アクセル回路も多かったので、全体的にもスムーズさがありまして、あとはラインのジャッジがどう見るか、そしてスタイルのジャッジがどう見るか、アングル的にはなかなか全体的についていました。すごく安定した走り。Very smooth. I would have to say very smooth. Now, not 100% aggressive. A lot of throttle, you know, some left foot braking here and there, but I would have to say very, very smooth. すごくスムーズな走り、最初から最後まで、スムーズな走りを、していきましたロハブ・カーン選手。あとはちょっとラインが余っている部分、いくつか見受けられましたが、綺麗な、ちょっと気分が良くなるような走りでしたね。That looked refreshing.
All right, we're going to see, and there you go, 87 for Roja.
カーン・ロハブ選手が今現在87ポイントということでトップに踊り出ました。 He is currently the first number one qualifier as of now.
Okay, you got 87 points.
87?
You won the car in the second place.
Second place?
Yeah.
Awesome! Awesome!
Woo!
You did it! Alright, so now we're going for the second qualifier run, and so far we're still sitting first place. Hopefully we can maintain that, and if anything, I want to go over 90 points now and still stay first. Fingers crossed, I think we can do it. I think we know what mistakes we made in the first one, and we're going to overcome those and make sure to put on a show. Let's go!
786カーン・ロハブ選手 Our Nation 先ほど87ポイントのスコアを叩き出した。
And here it is right here. I'm going to throw him out there. He DM'd me just now saying he's locking this spot in right here, representing Pakistan. Roja coming around into this outer zone 1 right here, all the way in that zone, real deep in the zone. Throwing down, has nothing to lose. Sitting on the top right now, bringing it around through outer zone 3. Coming back around. Look at the smoke trail all the way around. Full throttle into the outer zone 4 to the finish.
角度すごい。もう白煙もすごい。先ほどね、多分アナウンスで、これを見ていてくれ、パキスタン代表だと、カーン・ロハブ選手がケニーに DM したところ、もうその燃える走りが走りに反映されていました。もう絶対1位のトロフィー欲しいということで、かなりいい走りができたんではないかと思います。またね、この迫力ある走りかつスムーズに、もうなんかこのコースをマスターしたんじゃないかと、もう角度的にはもう、僕今日1入れちゃいましたが、果たして他のスコアが82点だ。ちょっとスタイルの得点が伸び悩んだ結果、残念ながら82。
でちょっとストップしちゃった。
What happened?
The car, I don't know. It's my fault. I shouldn't have done that. The car just stopped on full lock, that's all.
Yeah, you got an 82.
Yeah, Juan just told me that. Oh,
Yeah.
no. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, we still first place.
We're still first place so far. I couldn't beat myself.
I don't know if it's going to be enough.
Wait, they didn't announce yet.
多分87は超えられないと思います。アウトゾーンちょっと予定なさすぎ、角度もUnfortunately, I will tell you, I don't think it's going to be the 87 point rack, but let's see what happens.
And there you are, 74, unfortunately. And I got to say, congratulations, roll call Blue by his word when he messaged me.
Yeah! Yes! We got first place today!
First place in qualifier.
Let's
go!
今回、横浜タイプレゼンツ FTT2 ラウンド4奥吹モノパーク予選1位通過ゼッケン786パーム・ローハーツ選手おめでとうございます。ローハーツ87なんと87ポイント本当僅差でした。本当1ポイントの差で、見事今回1位通過となりました。さあ喜んでいますがそしてすいません呼ばれたドライバーで
I want to thank my team. I want to thank Kay. I want to thank Juan, my wife, Renio, all the guys that came over to help us. And the car was good. Thank you all for the other drivers as well. And tomorrow I think we're going to try our best and try to get third place. So I want everybody to be on their A game tomorrow.
本当はインタビューを
Finally did it! Nice! First place, FG2, round 4. It only goes up from here. We got battles tomorrow, so let's just go back, have a chill night, get ready, have a, be relaxed a little bit, go back out there and kill it. Let's do it.